everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I did my son room makeover. Technically the room is not done yet, but there's some stuff that I ordered online. I haven't received them yet, so I'm gonna do a part 2 where I'm gonna show you the finish, the complete finished look, because I ordered some stuff on for organize, to decorate and stuff like that, so I haven't received them yet. I'm gonna post a part 2 where I do finish with everything. So with that being said, if you're new to this channel, so welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, okay? And for all my return subscribers, and I thank you guys so very much for your support. As you already know, you guys encouraged me working more. It's honestly, guys, it's very hard for me at this time because I'm currently in nursing school. I'm a full-time mom and I work, so it's kind of very challenging for me, but I got to keep moving, okay? And there's some of stuff I already have, like the mattress, and then this room makeover didn't cost me that much. It was well under $500 for me to do everything, not including the TV and the game, right? Because you already have them. So for the other parts, so I ordered them on online and on Amazon and some other stuff. Okay, guys, this bed, I'm gonna leave everything in the link down below for you guys if you guys want to do a makeover without breaking the bank. It's like it's a good option. It's a really good option if you want to do it. Now, this bed take us about like 45 minutes to put together. As you already see, it's not bad, honestly. I think I ordered it under $200 because at the time they Wayfair had a sale, like a 2-day sale something. I said, okay, this is it. I'm gonna take it. And then look at it, guys. It's very beautiful. I like it. Honestly, I really like it. And then it's very sturdy. Like for my son, since he's gonna be the only one that sleep on it. It's not. He's in the slimmer version body. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna I put the desk together. I ordered this desk on Amazon, and I think it was like $108, something like that. It wasn't expensive at all, and honestly, this desk, it's big, and then is I like it so much. I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna have one. I'm gonna buy another one to put on my studio, like my beauty studio. So I really like it. So did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Well, the desk is easy to put together. So me and my son, we were doing a challenge. Who's gonna finish first? Of course, I finished first. So because the desk was so easy to put together, and then as you already see, so I'm putting the desk together, and then it's super easy to put together. And my other son is helping me. That's my baby son. His name is Angel. Okay, guys, since you already know I had my 3 boys in one room, now I'm giving Brian his personal room. So my other 2 boys, I'm working on a room makeover for them at this moment. It's not done yet, so this will be my next video. It's super kid friendly, so you guys gonna love it. If you have like small kids, it will be a breath taken away, because, and then like I always said, it's on budget, inexpensive way to make your kid feel like, I don't know, good. Because it's nothing more than a good night's sleep, so they have their own room. Even like they sharing, they still like small kids. So I know I promised my boys, my kids, that I'm gonna give them a better life. So once I'm finished with nursing school, so they have to hold on to whatever I give them right now. So if you want to see this video, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. And I'm doing a complete house makeover, and I'm removing my old furnitures and I'm putting new modern glam, and oh my god, you don't want to miss that. So don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, that's the way the room turns out. I really like it. This nightstand I purchased it at IKEA. I believe it was $39. It's super affordable. So like I said before, it's a really good option if you want to do a home makeover without breaking the bank. That's one of the good options. So I really like the way the room turns out. And then my son gaming station, I'm gonna put some shelf to put his books and his posters, other home decor. Look at it, look at his gaming station. My son cannot wait to jump on the gaming station. So guys, let me know if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I love you.